How smart animals can remember their enemies. Think animals are just mindless beasts acting on instinct? Think again. Some creatures hold grudges, remember faces, and will wait years just to take you down. Here are 5 of the most vengeful animals on Earth that you should never mess with. Number 5. The crow. Never throw a stone at them. Science confirms that crows can recognize individual human faces and hold a grudge for up to 5 years. Even scarier? They communicate your description to their flock. Mess with one crow, and tomorrow you might have the whole city's bird population diving at your head. Number 4. The Cape buffalo. Also known as the Black Death. Professional hunters fear this beast more than lions. Why? If you shoot it and it survives, it doesn't just run away. It circles back, hides in the bushes, and ambushes the hunter from behind. It's calculated, cold-blooded revenge. Number 3. The camel. They look goofy, but they have a deadly memory. In India, an owner once forgot to untie his camel during a scorching heat wave. When he finally returned at night, the camel snapped. It bit his neck and didn't let go until it was over. An elephant never forgets, but a camel never forgives. Number 2. Elephants. They are gentle giants until you cross them. Elephants have been known to raid specific villages that were home to poachers who killed their family members years ago. They don't just attack randomly, they target the specific people who caused them pain. It is justice served heavy. And at number 1, the king of vengeance, the Siberian tiger. This is a true story. A poacher named Vladimir Markov shot a tiger and stole its kill. The injured tiger didn't flee. It tracked Markov's scent for miles back to his cabin, destroyed everything that smelled like him, and waited by the front door for 48 hours. When Markov finally came home, the tiger took its revenge. Never mess with the king. Which of these terrified you the most? Let us know in the comments. And hit that subscribe button or the crow might find you. Thanks for watching.